ASM Auto Supply has been in business for over 3 decades. Conveniently located on the southwest corner of Midway Airport, we can easily supply all of your automotive needs. Please give us a call at 773-735-1140. We are also a proud sponsor of the Chicago Wise Guys.
Welcome to U.S. Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video.
Hello, hi. Welcome to a car show. Come back next time and
Have fun.
have fun.
All right, hi, my name's Chris. This is my 2021 Shelby GT500 in grabber yellow. This particular car is a Ford test car, so it was a tooling trial car for 2021. It's a chassis TT005. It was the first VIN ordered, so it's VIN number 1. And it was the 5th car off the production line in 2021.
Nice.
It was the first grabber yellow car off the production line in 2021. And it is the only grabber yellow vinyl white stripe black roof car for 2021, or for that matter, all 3 years. The GT500 was made. Haven't done a whole lot to it other than the Borla exhaust, an intake, JLT intake, and then the carbon fiber front fenders from Anderson Composites. Other than that, it's stock. Those are all things I can change back.
Did you talk about the tires yet? What size you have and rims?
So the tires are the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s. They're a staggered setup. The rims are carbon fiber rims. They're OEM from Ford. On the rear, the actual drum or the wheel, you can see the carbon fiber. On the front, it's white, and there's a ceramic coating on the inside of the wheel because of how close the calipers are to the wheel. It's to dissipate the heat.
Right.
So people ask about that sometimes.
How's the car to drive?
It's great. It's great. I've tracked it a couple times. We did Road America. I've done Blackhawk Farms.
There you go.
Autobahn.
And then talk to me about these cowl flaps.
So these fenders are 100% carbon fiber from Anderson Composites, painted to match the car.
Nice.
You know, they're just to reduce weight. I just like the look of the vents. Those are functional, you know, to dissipate heat.
Right. Yeah. Right. And then did you talk about the engine specs earlier?
So the motor, it's 5.2 liter Predator motor with a blower on it. They say it's the 760 horse. You know, the flywheel. I've never had it dynoed or anything, but the only thing I've done is the intake. So no pulleys or anything.
Sure.
But,
And then can we take anything special on the inside?
Yeah.
All right. So tell me what we're looking at.
It's an automatic dual clutch transmission with the paddle shift. You know, you can switch from automatic to paddle shift, which is nice. You know,
That is nice.
got a couple different modes that you can put it in. You know, track, sport.
There you go.
Yeah.
And then the hood.
So the hood is, the hood is factory. The vent is aftermarket. That's a Ford OEM carbon fiber vent. But it comes, now there's a rain tray that goes in there, but I don't have it.
Right. And then how much weight has been reduced with the carbon fiber?
I really don't know. I think the fenders, reduce it by like 20 pounds. And that vent is very minimal. But
There you go.
everything else that's carbon fiber on the car is factory.
There you go, there you go. That is sweet. Yeah.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Enjoy the next video.